We are Milbank Concrete Products and we're located in Earls Colne, which is part of the Braintree district. It gives us access to people, connections and opportunities to keep growing sustainably. Milbank Concrete Products are a family-owned business. We manufacture and install precast and pre-stressed concrete products, from floor beams to luxury spiral staircases. If you're watching this in a building built from the 80s onwards, there's a good chance that you're standing on one of our floors. Being located where we are gives us good access to our supply chain with the M11, A12, A120. We've got a good access to transport hubs such as Stansted Airport and then the ports of Harwich, Ipswich, Felixstowe. It gives us good access to major operational hubs such as Colchester, Cambridge, London, Chelmsford. It gives us really good access to low carbon materials. This is really, really important in the UK construction industry. There is an increased focus on off-site manufacturing, the benefits this can bring through sustainable manufacturing methods. We also found that the cost of setting up the operation and the rents within this region were actually lower than in other areas, so it was attractive for us. It allowed us to spend the savings on other ways of driving operational performance, recruiting people and running a sustainable business from the region. People stay with Milbank Concrete Products because of the quality of life locally. There's good access to local amenities, countryside, schools, colleges, good transport networks. We're a real living wage employer, so that gives people a quality of life that means that they can flourish within the local environment. We can't stress how important it is really to have a local council that will support you on your growth ambitions. We've received small grants to help with our operational expansion, and they've always been welcoming when we've looked to enhance and develop the site. We have quite a large operation, over 7 acres, and this has been developed over time with the support of the local council. Being located in Braintree district gives us the perfect location to allow for all these things to take place. We're able to compete on not only a local and regional level, but also on a national level for some of our core products. So to grow your business, talk to Braintree District Council,